3 for 3 on third down conversions. He's close. Touchdown. They're giving him the touchdown. And again, listen to the reaction of the crowd here at Candlestick. Griffin and Fuller made the hit, but Riggs made the touchdown. Great second effort.
That the Niners couldn't come back, but boy, will they be demoralized going into the locker room.
37-yard gain, first and goal, 2 seconds remain in the half. The last play of the half. You know it's going to Riggs. Or do you? It's Miller. Touchdown, Atlanta. Use Riggs as a big boy.
Use him as a decoy. Everybody went for him. The extra dimension at quarterback. A quarterback with wheels like an Elway. What a good fake. There are Miller's parents there. Jane and Jess. Boy, are they happy with the young quarterback. Most people thought the Falcons.
47-yarder. He's 1 for 2 in field goals, missed from 41 yards. This one is long enough, and it's good. So the 47-yard field goal by Davis, and the Falcons just add to that lead. 24-3. Watch Marion. The old Swamp Fox, and we'll be back. He hit a 47-yarder earlier in this game. They do mark it 45 yards.
Big play, baby. Big play, Tim.
Rams up 21-10 over the Raiders. We'll be checking in on that game.
This kick is long enough, and it's good. And so the Falcons go up 34-17 with 1:05 remaining in the ball game.
Marion Campbell, you get a feeling that he knows something about quarterbacks. Remember, he drafted Bartkowski